For the most part, another blue sky day across the valley. Patchy clouds have been kind of streaming south to north near the coast, but otherwise we're in pretty good shape across the area today. That is about to change. If you like the blue sky, you like the sunshine, enjoy today, enjoy the first part of tomorrow, because then things are going to change. It's going to go gray and probably stay that way for a while. Let's watch. Future Track overnight says clouds start to thicken up a little bit, and by the time you get to 9 o'clock in the morning, we're overcast. Could be a brief shower, but I think the best chance of rain will come with and then behind the front. Probably not a lot ahead of it. Front slides through midday, maybe a little bit after, and as it goes through, it likely triggers a few showers, but then we just break out into some light rain Wednesday evening into Wednesday night and early Thursday. So not only is it gray, overcast, northerly winds, it's going to almost feel like a winter day as temperatures cool off. It'll still be mild even in the evening in the 60s, but by morning, Thursday morning, temperatures will be in the 50s. There are going to be clouds and probably some showers around. And the way it looks right now, temperatures not going to warm up much at all on Thursday. It'll be the chilliest day we've seen in quite a while. Again, it's going to have that winter look to it with the gray, thick gray skies, and from time to time that spotty drizzle. So just kind of an ugly day out there, but that's what you've been waiting for, right? 30% chance of rain late tomorrow. Second half of the day goes to 40% tomorrow night and early Thursday, then goes back to 30% on Friday. It's all light stuff, nothing big. That winter mix of just light rain and drizzle, but not much more than that. Let's look at our temperatures. Here's where we are right now. Still 90 plus in the west, 80s in the east, very warm and humid. Now tonight, we're going to drop down close to the dew points. Upper 60s is where they are right now. 71 Port Isabel and Brownsville, but all the other dew points in the upper 60s. And that puts us way up here in the muggy side of the muggy meter. But if you look at tonight's lows, we expect readings to go no cooler than about 70 or so across most of the area. So 70 to 75, with the exception of maybe Raymondville sneaking into the upper 60s. Tomorrow's highs still depend on timing of the front. I think the warmest readings will be in the eastern part of the valley because the front will come in northwest to southeast. Once the front comes in, temperatures level off for a while, probably in the 70s, and then fall tomorrow evening when the north winds pick up a little bit and spotty showers around second half of the day. So normal highs 83. Some of us will reach 84 tomorrow. If you're in the northern and western parts of the valley, probably not. And now look at that high for Wednesday. We've dropped it all the way down to 59 degrees for a high, 59. And then back to 74 maybe on Friday. Friday, we spend the day in the 60s as well. Look at the rest of the state. You can find the front. Just went through Austin. They were in the 80s about an hour and a half ago. They're down to 68 now. Front has not reached San Antonio yet. Still 83 there. So for tonight, 71 for your low, mainly clear and mild. Clouds show up later tonight and early tomorrow. Clouds increase tomorrow, turns breezy and cooler in the afternoon. Any sunshine in the morning will be the last sunshine we see for a few days, because once the clouds take over, they're going to take over big time. I think Thursday's just overcast. Friday's overcast. A little more drizzle around Friday. Maybe some late sunshine on Saturday, but not a lot, just a little bit warmer. Probably a little sunshine on Sunday, but again, not a sunny day, even an isolated shower possible then. Week front early next week doesn't make a whole lot of difference to the temperatures. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast.